Here's our aluminum drop base. See where I've cut it out? Here and here. I've cut it out. I've removed this material so this will recess in between the cross members. What I've done here is I've taken a piece of aluminum and I've gone in between my main drop base structure. I needed to incorporate a wedge, some kind of wedge, into the seat pan so that it doesn't slide completely out. Plus, it's not very large, but it's enough to hold the cushion in. It's only an inch here. So, and what I did was I riveted it on. All stainless steel rivets. This particular client is very active and they do a lot of swimming outdoor activities, and the client approached me and said, can you manufacture something that we can just rinse off with a hose? So this is all aluminum, stainless steel hardware, stainless steel rivets. I used some of our seats, 22.5 modular brackets, and I also used seats J-hooks. This is all aluminum, this is powder coated steel, all nothing's going to rust. So after an activity at the beach, they can just take a hose, rinse this off. And then what we chose to do, instead of a foam cushion, we trialed the client with a Roho low profile 2.25 inch Roho cushion, and it worked very, very well. So I'm going to set this in and I'm going to remeasure. Okay, the pan's in there. I'm going to zoom in so you can have a closer look. So there it is. Now let's put the Roho in and measure and see how much we've reduced the height from the top of the pommel to the floor. So I have my Roho. I ordered with a 6-inch extension, so very easy for the parents to access it from the rear of the chair. So let's put it into our drop base seat, aluminum drop base. I'm going to take my tape measure and see how much we've reduced the measurement. .21 inches. So now the seat to floor height from the top of the Roho is 21 inches. Mission accomplished. I'm going to take a seat if I can get in here. A little tight for me, but takes the shape very, very well. Rohos are a fabulous product, but you need to put something in here to give it a little bit of shape, a little bit of contouring. So I'll zoom in so you can have a closer look. So now one thing the client did point out to me is they're a little bit worried, a little bit concerned about the leading edge of the aluminum. So I've manufactured a pad. I've manufactured a pad using 1/4 inch neoprene. This is a waterproof nylon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit it out of there. I'm going to fit it across the front like this, and then I'm going to put snaps. I'm going to put snaps along here, and then this will tuck in underneath the front, so there'll be no edges here. It's not when the client's in the chair, it's when he's getting put in the chair. When he's transferring in, I want to make sure that he doesn't contact any of this. So I'm going to lay this out and put some snaps in it, and I'll show you when I finish what it looks like.